Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at A&L RV Sales right here in Jackson, Tennessee. Oh man, we got a good one right here. It's a 2026 Forest River Flagstaff Super Lite, model number 26SRD, so let's get started. The length on this Super Lite is 29 feet 9 inches, the dry weight is 6,554 with a hitch weight of 674 with a GVWR of 8,474. All right.
Yeah, so I mean, if you have a well-equipped half-ton, you should be okay with this one. Always check your numbers though, just to be sure. Let's start right up front. You are going to have the BAL power tongue jack. Super nice one.
Yes.
Yeah. Your propane is going to go under that cover. There is the battery, but we're apparently charging with our little jump pack.
Yes, I'm charging our batteries. Good night.
Now,
come on
guys, look at this.
Sorry, I got excited.
Yeah, I mean, well, there's a good reason to be. Come on. I mean, how many times have you had to climb in your pass-through storage to pull something out? You don't have to do it with this one. Or how many times have you had to crawl through your pass-through storage because the other side wouldn't open?
I have.
Been there, done that. Alrighty. You are going to have a dump area right down here and a pull handle.
Yeah, and your other one is right there on the side of your dump.
Yep, over there. So your connections are right out here. Now, guys, this is a big slide.
Ooh.
It is very deep. Then you have got the storage area here.
Man, you could put some fishing rods up in here.
Yeah, you can, because it just... Okay, I can't even get all of it in there. So, yeah, if you have something tall flagpoles, fishing rods, that is a great compartment.
America.
All right, let's squeeze down through here. Oh, here we go. And look at the back, and I'm hoping that this is going to show up. The Flagstaff's graphics are kind of a cream color with some black, and this is the prettiest shade of green you have ever seen on this stripe. I just love it. You got a little storage right here at the back. Nice big window. You're really going to like this from the inside. Just trust me. Hang on.
I'm just going to say, A&L's got a good selection of Flagstaffs here.
They do. So if you're interested in a Flagstaff, definitely take the drive to Jackson, Tennessee. They have got a great selection. This is going to have a ladder to get on the top. As you can see, it is prepped for a backup camera. It does have a receiver hitch down here, so this is going to be for an accessory rack, but not for towing. Now looking down your campsite, I don't know if we even knew the awning length on it.
21 foot.
21 foot. And if you can see, they actually give you a little bracket right in the middle because it is a very long awning. Super, super nice here. You see that you are going to have 2 entries. They give you solid steps on both of them.
Not a tankless water heater.
Not a tankless water heater.
I'm kind of surprised.
Yeah, so for those of you guys who still like your traditional water heaters that looks like ours, there you go.
That is cool.
I do love that they painted it white so that it blends in with the side. You've got a rail here that is going to be for a table system. Not really sure what a table system is, but that's what it's for.
You can slide it back out the other way.
Yes, so if you need to access things on this side of your storage, that tray is going to go in both directions.
Your spare is under there.
Right under there. And
sometimes we miss the spares.
yeah, sometimes we do, because I don't always think about it.
Wow.
All right, well, let's go inside and take a look at this Flagstaff. I think it's got some things that y'all are gonna like. And yes, I said y'all.
All right.
All right, we just...
Flagstaff does a little more of that warm, darker tone.
Yeah, it's
Huh.
but then they offset it with their white countertops, so you don't feel like you're in a cave. All right, right here in the back, here was that big window that I was talking about. all of this storage up here, and then you have got this huge U-shaped dinette with some big drawers underneath it. Wow. Over on the side, if it shows up here, you do have power right there, USB. Actually, you're going to have that on both sides of it. Like any dinette, this will make into a bed, and it's just a little handle right there, and you just push it down, and it comes right back up. So, easy peasy lemon squeezy. You just can't get any easier than that. Turning around, I'm going to have a seat over here on the dinette so that you can see the TV is going to be mounted up there, and yes, it is mounted at a little bit of an angle. So you've got a 32-inch TV. You would be able to see it, and it'll, of course, you can straighten it up, tilt it even more.
Yep.
You can see that all your controls are going to be right up there beside it as you come in the door. Coming on down, you got a little narrow door right there. That may seem weird, but that'd be great for keys, wallets, yeah, stuff like that. And yeah.
Oh, cool.
And then they give you a little fireplace. I love that. Storage right next to it.
Sorry.
And this is going to have solid surface in here, so that is quite impressive.
Gonna see if I had another light over there, but I don't.
There may be one on the exhaust. Should be one there somewhere.
Yeah.
A little bit of
Well,
light.
it's not really.
So yeah, you've got your microwave up there, 3-burner cooktop, oven. Over here under your sink, you're going to have the 2 drawers, and then a little place to put your scrubby sponges. Flagstaff does impress me with their countertops and cabinets, because I don't know if you can see this, but how super clean and neat that little bead of caulk is.
Yeah.
Sealing that up, so very nice. Sometimes you don't see that, I'm just going to be honest. Do have a couple of plug-ins on those each side of your big sink with a pull-down faucet. Storage up above it. Over here in that big giant slide that we were looking at is going to be your 12-volt compressor fridge with the freezer at the bottom. And you do have a really, really nice Millersburg collection theater seat. So you got wireless charging and a big space there for your remotes, cup holders.
Oh, you don't see this much.
No, this is something you don't see on a lot of travel trailers. It's day and night shades.
Yeah.
So that is super, super nice. All right, two more features in here. You do have this neat little extension there, and then you have got your pantry area. This is not the biggest pantry area that I have seen in a travel trailer, but it will still hold quite a bit of stuff.
I do have to agree with you. Their lines.
Yeah, their finishing in here is just
really
spot on.
Nice.
It is really nice.
Huh.
Not sure if you can tell with this, but there is just a slight arch in the ceiling here, so that's going to give you some extra headroom in here.
I smell you, door.
Yeah, but that's okay. That lets some air flow. Sometimes the air may not need to flow.
Sometimes you may not need that airflow.
But anyway, this is going to be a pass-through bathroom. We know, love-hate thing, but it is what it is in this one. Now there's a lot of antifreeze down in here, so we're not going to track this through. But
I measured this. It was kind of like 32 by 40.
Wow.
Yeah, it's kind of.
So that's a really good size. But there is a skylight, so yeah, you're going to have really good headroom in this one. We just didn't want to track all of that antifreeze everywhere
because this may be somebody's camper.
It could be. Does have a porcelain foot flush toilet. Yes, say that 3 times really fast. Let me turn around. Like I said, I'm not going to step up in the shower. But yeah, good space under here. You do see that it has got some additional lighting. Mirrored medicine cabinet there. I love that they give you a towel ring over here already in place.
Not solid surface.
Yeah, not solid surface in here, but that's a nice area.
Hey.
And look at there. And this is a little bit smaller of a pass-through pass-through bathroom.
But it works.
But it has everything you need. It's got a great shower, Great toilet placement. It does have a place for all your towels, medicine cabinet. So yes, this one does get the plunger.
All
Now
right.
turning around, also because this is a pass-through storage. Oh gosh, why do I keep calling this storage? A pass-through bathroom. They're able to put the door here in the center, so that gives you a wider opening, so that makes you feel like you have more room in this bedroom. So you're all going to have a queen size bed, north and south. Love that they did not put the hanging on each side, so that makes you feel so much wider and so much more open in here. Blackout shade, storage across the top. You are going to have power and USB on both sides of these, with a little nightstand, pull out drawer.
This one just folds down.
Oh, and that one folds down.
Yeah.
Well, there's a reason, because you do have a wardrobe slide over here.
Good night.
Yeah.
That's good.
With some shelves right there. And you are going to have a second AC. And in this particular unit, they already have your little 27-inch TV in there. Underneath,
Oh,
you've
yeah.
got some storage right there. Great for some folded blankets. And then you
nice
have
drawers.
some two nice sized drawers. So, yes, guys, this bedroom is very, very well done.
Like this.
Let me turn around and show you over here. This is going to be your second entry. Just to kind of fill you guys in, when we were looking for our own travel trailer, I said I did not want 2 doors because I thought that was a security risk. We have 2 doors, no security issues at all, and it makes it so much easier to pack
Load
everything
up.
up.
Yeah, load up before we leave our house.
It
Yeah.
does. Absolutely. So, we love to hear your feedback on this. Tell us what you like about it. Tell us what you don't like. But this is a really nice size, well done camper.
I like it. All right, everybody. If you like this Flagstaff travel trailer, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up, people, and comment. Just comment. If you need a shoulder to cry on about your travel trailer, comment.
Yeah, we'll read it.
Thanks, everybody.